this. So it says data forensic procedures. This is the, we're going to be doing like 4 things here. We're going to be looking at RAM. We'll capture RAM of a system and analyze it using FTK tool. FTK means forensic toolkit imager. So that one of those, forensic software I just talked about, ENCASE or FTK. So we're going to be using the FTK here. Okay, they work in similar ways. Now, we will use that to capture RAM, and then, we'll use it to capture hard drive. We'll also use some other tools like volatility to analyze the RAM that we capture, as well as something called prefetch. There are some prefetch tools that will also give us visibility into what is on the RAM at the time that system was working, so we can see what was actually going on that system. What was the suspect doing on that system, for the system that's attacked, or for a system that is we take possession of for forensic analysis purpose. So we're going to look at that. We're also going to capture hard drive. Like I said, using the FTK imager, we're going to also use autopsy to analyze hard drive content. We're going to look at web browser analysis as well. Internet browsers, going to see, because when people do things, they go online and search for things. Want to see what is on their system, what's going on that system at that time. We're going to use this SQLite database browser to read databases, online databases, where cookies on their web browser are stored. I'm going to look at mobile phones as well. Things happen on mobile phones as well. So places we can get information for forensic analysis, the RAM, so we can see what is running on the system at that time. At the last time the system was running, that's why we don't shut the system down quickly, or except it's necessary. But even if it's shut down, we can still get information that was on the RAM using these different tools. Then we look at hard drive, see what is stored on that computer, what was happening in the storage, what was the suspect doing on the web. We can use, and then what were they doing on the mobile phones, using things like Celebrite and Forensic Toolkit as well. Now, so the appendices we have here will include RAM image capture if you were to use flash drive, because flash drive is like a hard drive. But making it easier for you such that you don't need to have a flash drive. But in case you do, and you have a need to do that later on with a hard drive, you'll be able to use that appendix. And then the same thing with, if you are going to use your flash drive as your source drive, where you're going to capture information from, appendix B1, B2, what will it look like? What will it look like if you upload content of hard drive that you capture yourself? But I send you, I send you a hard drive capture as part of your evidence. But then I also ask you to capture this, hard drive, and then see what it would look like if you capture. So I send you a hard drive capture here. I also send you a RAM capture as well. But I want you to actually do them yourself. Capture the hard drive, capture the RAM, see what it looks like, and then I send you some that I want you to actually analyze, which has more information than the one you capture. That's what you have in the appendices there. So the meaning: data forensics is the process of recovering data from data devices, such as computer hard drives, mobile devices, users' web browsers, usually in connection with criminal and civil investigations. And we take image copy, like we said, we take image copy. Image copy of digital drives typically, it's like a picture or mirror or clone image of the entire drive, including the bit by bit copy of the drive. So it just doesn't do a simple copy and paste. It captures all the little details the bits, the zeros and ones, whatever little details is left on that media, that's what is part of an image. We say image copy. It's an exact picture, mirror, or clone image of the drive, including bit-by-bit copy of the drive and its partitions, system information. It's more detailed than a regular backup copy or a copy of any media. When you do a backup of something, it just backs up the used part of the media, allocated part. So what is being used is what is backed up. But this will capture what is used, what is not used. Image will include what is used, what is not used. Every other information on that media will be captured. That's the image copy. So that is exactly like the original. You